Okay, Steve again, Boats of Dallas. Let's step inside the cockpit of the Tiny Dancer. New Year's Eve, 2025, December 31st. This boat's got all custom interior. And this is a cool vinyl. This will not get hot in the summer. It's all been redone professionally by Dallas Canvas a while back. It's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Does have the Simrad GPS system. It's got a high-powered Fusion sound system. It's only got 353 hours on these Yanmar diesels. It is V-drive. Wet bar area. Let's see. It's got the little ice maker in there. Next video will be inside the cabin.